Good morning guys, how are you going? It's good to see you. Today I'm going to show you how I do my hair. I'm going to show you what products I use, how I wash it, how I dry it, and I'm going to take you with me all the way and show you how you get those nice and defined curls, because right now, as you can see, this is a mess. This is just like fluffiness. To all my curly friends, I know how you feel. I know the struggle. I have the same. I'm gonna show you how to get those nice and defined curls, how to go from this to this. There is a way, so I'm gonna take you with me and show you how I do it. Let's go. Alright guys, so this is where the magic happens. This is how my hair looks, still wet, and you can see that it curls in those nice strands, and that's what I want to achieve. I want these strands in dry. And I used to use this hair oil, but you can buy it here because this is a German product. And then I went to the supermarket and I found this, and let me tell you guys, this works. This is amazing, this stuff. This is organ hair oil, and you can put it in either dry or in wet hair like mine right now, and it works wonders. It makes your hair curl in such nice defined curls. It looks good and it doesn't have this fluffiness which I usually get when I do not put any product in it. Let me show you. This is it. I'm just gonna put quite a lot of this stuff because it's really good on my hand, and I put it into my hair, just in the ends usually, also in the front. Now you can put a little bit more into it. I think I usually put a little too much into it, but it's just, it has this really amazing effect, and I want to show you how amazing that effect is. Yes, and also another thing with curls, you shouldn't just like rub them around, because then they get really messy and they get this fluffiness, and the defined curls, they will go away. So if you do this, if you just use your hands, grab some hair and pull it up like this and press it, it works very well. Once you're done distributing all the product in your hair, what I do is I just let it air dry. So I'm gonna go and have some breakfast in the meantime.
One hour later.
Alrighty guys, this is it. This is how my hair looks after it has been dried by the air and the sun. As you can see, there are a lot more defined curls, and it just looks a lot better, and the volume is not as fluffy as before. I don't know, I think it just looks way nicer, and I'm really happy I found this hair oil because it literally does the magic. This is how my hair gets this. Yeah, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I hope I'll see you in the next video. Mwah.